everyone. So today is a very special day because I am gonna have my first flying lesson with my brother Spencer. Technically I'm not in the lesson, I'm just tagging along, filming everything for you guys, but my brother's taking a few lessons and yeah, I'm gonna see what it's all about, see how the lesson goes. It's very exciting. A little nervous, my life is in his hands. I'm freaking out, but yeah, should go well. We are here in Elstree Airfield and it's just outside London. I'm in the UK this time. And as you can see, the weather is very grey.
That sounds lovely.
Grey and windy, and this past weekend there's loads of storms, so hopefully it'll be okay. Well, I know that they wouldn't make us fly if it wasn't okay, but I've been told it might be a little bumpy.
Fasten your seatbelts. It's going to be a bumpy night.
But not to be worried. So anyway, stay tuned. Here we go. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and here we go. We're off to fly. Let's fly away, and come back safely.
I'm being filmed.
Yes. Don't mind me.
The trousers make my bumper.
This is the plane we'll be using. What are you doing?
Checking the plane before we go.
Yeah.
Pre-flight checks.
Okay.
It's all on the list.
Is it looking good?
I'll let you know.
Make sure you double check. Don't put my life in danger, please.
Exactly.
So maybe I should stop bothering you with the camera.
Go away.
Can you concentrate?
What are you doing? Sorry?
So this is a Warrior 3. Good looking plane.
I look good. I mean, really good. Hey everyone! Come and see how good I look!
So, what I've gathered so far, you have to go in, have to like say how much I weigh.
I'm thinking thin.
Which is a little comfortable. Just to make sure that the plane is not too heavy, so we have to give our weight. You have to calculate also the fuel. Then we made sure all that was okay, and now they are preparing the plane, taking the cover off, checking everything's working. Then we're gonna go back in and have a look at the flight plan. I guess they figure out the course, and after all that we will be taking off. Yes, it's kind of exciting. I'm a little nervous, I won't lie. But thank God it's not my brother's first lesson. He's done already quite a few, so this is good. So many planes! I think I might take up flying lessons. This is really cool. I've traveled already so much. It'd be great to be able just to fly my own plane and go somewhere. Here's to wishful thinking. Maybe one day, who knows?
Oh, I guess I'm just dreaming.
We are off to get on the plane. Woohoo! Here they are, all prepared, maps in hand and all. And I really hope it won't be too bumpy. Can we get in?
It's all through this door.
Okay. Step on here, the bottom.
Yeah.
And then up on the wing.
You've got a handhold there.
Alright.
Stop filming if you don't want to see his underpants. He loves my underpants. As he gets in the plane.
We're gonna have to have a close-up of those underpants. Yeah. Woo! Here. Woo! All right. Woo. I made it!
Did you zoom in on her ass?
I am inside. Made it in the plane. Here we go. Uh-oh.
That's good. All right. Yeah, the helmet's at the bottom of the parachute bag. This is going to be a really exciting part of the video. Trying to be all cool. Have you checked the Heisenberg condensators? Bypass the dilithium. All right, okay, let's do it. Engage. Woo!
go.
Okay.
So we've landed. Spencer did a smooth landing. We're at a different airport. We're gonna go check it out. And yeah, it was a little bumpy, but hey. All right, so now I have to get out the plane. It's not easy. Loads of wind. But I survived.
I'm alive.
A very graceful landing.
Patsy, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm just here with a sick friend.
Spencer did a good job.
Very good job.
So yeah,
Two reasons.
Yes.
One is that we're still alive and walking.
Yeah, exactly.
Two,
Very important point.
the aeroplane can be flown again.
Yeah.
That's right.
Well done, Spence.
Good, thank you.
Now we're gonna come see some very cool planes. Oh my god, my hair, everything's so windy here. But check this out. Is absolutely massive. And then these planes, I mean, they're as big as ships. It's incredible though, to think we invented this and now we're flying all around the world. See the Concorde. Never went on a Concorde, but I hear it was amazing and fast. What an amazing plane. So we've made it back. It was great. We went to Duxford. We went to see all those planes. Went to visit the Concorde, had a fun flight. As you can see, this little bit sunnier now, still gray, but much better. And they are parking the plane, and it was a lot of fun. Now I'm gonna go with my brother and have a nice drink somewhere in an English pub to finish off this great day. Really cool to be able to travel in style and to arrive at the museum and get there by flying. Yeah, I don't think I ever want to use a car again. I just want to fly. I'm spoiled rotten. What can I say?